Lust is destroying you silently. You may not even realize it, but it's stealing your confidence, your discipline, and your peace. Every time you give in, you feel weaker. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. You can defeat it, and it starts today. Lust isn't just desire, it's a trap. It gives you temporary pleasure, but leaves you empty afterward. It tricks your brain into thinking you've achieved something, when in reality, you've just drained your energy, your focus, your drive. And the worst part? It makes you a slave to your impulses. Think about it. How can you build a strong life if you can't even say no to a screen? That's not power, that's weakness. The problem is most people try to fight lust with willpower, but willpower fades. Real change doesn't come from motivation, it comes from systems. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your habits. Here's why you're losing. Your phone is always in your hand. You scroll late at night with no purpose, and you never stop to ask, why am I doing this? You've trained your brain to chase quick dopamine. So how do you break free? You don't suppress it, you replace it. Step 1, remove the triggers. Unfollow, block, limit access. Make it harder to fail. Step 2, replace the habit. When the urge hits, don't sit and fight it. Move. Go for a walk, do push-ups, write your thoughts, shift your energy. Step 3, understand your why. Are you bored, lonely, stressed? Lust is often just a mask for deeper problems. Fix the root, not just the symptom. Now imagine this. You wake up with control, focused, clear, strong. No guilt, no hiding, just discipline, just power. When you defeat lust, your energy comes back, your confidence grows, and you stop being controlled and start being in control. You're not weak, you're just untrained. Start today. Take back your power, because the real battle is in your mind. And the best part? You can win.